How to use cinematography to create music and performing arts movies. Creating a film about music and performing arts is a unique challenge that requires careful planning and execution. To create a successful film in this genre, the filmmaker must use certain filming techniques to capture the essence of the music and performance. In this article, we will explore the steps involved in using filming techniques to create a film about music and performing arts, from preparation to editing. Step 1. Choose a topic. The first step in creating a film about music and performing arts is to choose a topic that is both compelling and relevant. This may involve researching current events, historical events, or cultural traditions that are unique to a particular region or country. It's important to choose a topic that is both interesting to the filmmaker and relevant to the target audience, as this will help to ensure that the film is engaging and informative. Step 2. Conduct research. Once a topic has been chosen, the next step is to conduct research. This may involve reading books and articles, watching documentaries, conducting interviews with experts and locals, and attending concerts or performances. The goal of the research phase is to gain a deep understanding of the topic and to identify key themes, issues, and perspectives that will be explored in the film. Step 3. Develop a concept. Based on the research conducted in Step 2, the next step is to develop a concept for the film. This may involve creating a treatment or pitch that outlines the key themes, issues, and perspectives that will be explored in the film, as well as the visual style, tone, and mood of the film. The concept should be clear, concise, and compelling, and should give potential funders, collaborators, and distributors a clear sense of what the film will be about and why it's important. Step 4. Secure funding. Once a concept has been developed, the next step is to secure funding for the film. This may involve applying for grants, seeking out investors, or launching a crowdfunding campaign. It's important to have a clear budget and production plan in place before seeking funding, as this will help to demonstrate that the project is viable and well planned. Step 5. Pre-production. With funding secured, the next step is to move into pre-production. This may involve hiring a production team, scouting locations, conducting interviews, and developing a shooting schedule. It's important to have a clear plan in place for how the film will be shot and edited, as well as a contingency plan in case of unforeseen events or challenges. The filmmaker should also consider the legal aspects of filming, such as acquiring permissions and releases, and obtaining necessary permits. Step 6. Production. The production phase involves actually shooting the film. This may involve capturing live performances, rehearsals, interviews with musicians and performers, and capturing B-roll footage of the location and surroundings. It's important to use appropriate filming techniques to capture the essence of the music and performance, such as using close-ups to show the emotions on the performer's face, or using wide shots to showcase the grandeur of the performance venue. The filmmaker should work closely with the production team to ensure that the footage captured is of high quality and that the project stays on schedule. It's important to stay organized and focused during the production phase, as this will help to ensure that the final product is visually engaging and effective in conveying the intended message to the audience. Step 7. Post-production. After the filming is complete, the post-production phase begins. This involves editing the footage, adding music and sound effects, color grading, and creating titles and graphics. The filmmaker should work closely with the editor and post production team to ensure that the film is